In this lesson, you will learn how to identify a common chord in 6 keys using the NANDI method. Let's use the C major triad as our example. In the order of fourths below, you'll notice that the major triads in major keys are from scale degrees 5, 1, and 4, while major triads in minor keys are from scale degrees flat 7, flat 3, and flat 6. A major chord can function as the tonic chord in one key, the 4 chord in another, and as the 5 chord in a third key. 5, the first number in our pattern, represents a fifth interval. To use our hack, we must use the inversion of a fourth to go up from C to F, and then count up in fifths to C, G, D, A, and E. These 6 letters represent the 6 major and minor keys in which the diatonic triad of C major can be found. We can instantly see that C major is the 5 chord in F major, the 1 chord in C major, the 4 chord in G major, the flat 7 chord in D minor, the flat 3 chord in A minor, and the flat 6 chord in E minor. Now, let's find the 6 keys for the E minor chord. In the order of fourths below, you'll notice that the minor triads in major keys are from scale degrees 3, 6, and 2, while minor triads in minor keys are from scale degrees 5, 1, and 4. Because our pattern of scale degrees begins with 3, to use our shortcut, we must begin a major third below E, which is C, and count up in fifths to G, D, A, E, and B. We'll find that E minor is the 3 chord in C major, the 6 chord in G major, the 2 chord in D major, the 5 chord in A minor, the 1 chord in E minor, and the 4 chord in B minor. We'll now look at a practical application for our shortcut. Let's say you want to use the B minor and E minor chords in a song that is in a major key, but you are unsure of what key they are diatonic to. Taking a hint from scale degree 3, we simply go down a major third and then count up 2 fifths to derive G major, D major, and A major, the 3 keys which contain the B minor triad. Similarly, for the E minor chord, going down a major third from E to C and stacking 2 fifths gets us the keys of C major, G major, and D major. We can quickly determine that G major and D major are the only 2 keys that contain both the B minor and E minor chord. On the other hand, you may decide to include these chords in a song written in a minor key. By using the 5th scale degree as reference, we can use the inversion of a fourth to move from B to E and count up 2 fifths to derive the 3 keys which contain the B minor triad, namely E minor, B minor, and F sharp minor. Similarly, for the E minor triad, we can use our shortcut to arrive at the minor keys of A, E, and B. We can conclude that the E minor and B minor are the only 2 keys which contain both our chords. By using our shortcuts, we were able to determine the keys for 2 random chords as well as their exact scale degrees without writing down entire scales, comparing chords and keys, or using a cheat sheet. There you have it, the fastest way to find a common chord in 6 keys using the NANDI method. In our book, Guitar Notes Unleashed, you will learn how to name notes on the fretboard or any string pair using the inversion shortcuts discussed in this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please like and share our video.